Welcome sa zip9.com. This video tutuloy natin ang ating series on calculus, no? And kung sinusundan nyo itong ating series, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay about continuous functions at or the continuity of a function at a particular number, no? So, basahin muna natin yung definition. Yung definition natin, pinag-aralan na natin yan sa mga previous videos at pinaliwanag na natin kung ano yung ibig sabihin, no? So, balikan niya yung Calculus 1.49, no? Kung gusto nyo pag-aralan from 1.49 up to this video, ay nagbigay tayo ng mga paliwanag, no? Or pinaliwanag natin na ibig sabihin ng continuity, and at the same time, nagbigay tayo ng few examples, no? This is another example, no? Pero bago tayo magsimula, ay basahin muna natin. So this function f is said to be continuous at the number c if and only if the three conditions are satisfied. One, we have f of c exists, no? Tapos number two is the limit of f of x as x approaches c exists. And number three, the limit of f of x as x approaches c. Itong value natin sa number 2 is equal to f of c, which is yung value natin sa number 1. So basically, we have to check these values, and sa number 3, check natin if these values are equal. Now, para siya masabi na continuous siya at a particular number, the function is continuous at a particular number c, then these three conditions must be satisfied. Pag meron kang isang condition na hindi na-satisfy dito, automatic hindi na continuous function or hindi na continuous yung function at this point, no? Okay, so tingnan natin tong another example. Pangilang example, I think this is the third example already, no? So, I'm sure you are already familiar kung napanood niyo yung previous video kung paano natin ginagawa. So, number 1, we have to check if f of c exists, no? So, we have to determine if h is continuous at x equals negative 2, no? And again, the value of c here, no? Ang point of continuity na tinetest natin is yung point where x equals negative 2, no? So, ang c natin basically is negative 2. So first, we have to check if f of c exists or f of negative 2. However, yung pangalan ng function natin dito ay hindi na f kundi h, no? So we have to check if h of negative 2 exists. So nag-exist nga ba siya? Well, we have to check. Ibig sabihin ng h of negative 2, we have to check the value of the function if x equals negative 2, no? So meron pa tayo ditong x equals negative 2. Yung una natin is x is less than or equal to negative 2. Yung x is greater than negative 2 naman yung pangalawang function natin, no? So, asan ang x equals negative 2 dito? Dito, di ba? Kasi less than or equal. May kasamang equal siya. Therefore, ang gagamitin natin na expression is ito, no? Yung function. Parang dalawang magkaibang function siya, no? Putol lang sila, no? At x equals 2. Pero titignan natin yung point of continuity here, no? Well, hindi pa natin alam pala kung putol, no? But we have to check first, no? Kumbaga, ito yung point of, it's either connected sila dito or dito yung putol, no? So, x equals negative 2, dito tayo titingin. So, meaning, h of negative 2. h of negative 2 is equal to, we substitute yung x, syempre, the value of x, which is negative 2, plus 4. This is equal to 2. No? So yes, no, it exists. And h of negative 2 is equal to 2. Okay? Okay, so mukhang okay tayo dito. Nag-exist yung h of negative. Number 2, we have to find or to see if the limit of f of x as x approaches c exists. No? So we have to check if the limit of h of x as x approaches, ano yung c natin? Negative 2 exists. Okay? Paano nga natin sinasabi or paano ba natin kinukuha or dinedetermine if the limit of a function at a particular point exists, no? Minsan, pag polynomial functions, diretso na yan. Automatic niya. Pero ito, meron tayong piecewise function, so we have to check the limit, no? The left-hand limit tsaka the right-hand limit. So, we have to check the limit of h of x as x approaches negative 2 from the left, tsaka from the right, no? So, from the left, negative 2 from the left. Ibig sabihin ng negative 2 from the left. So, if this is your number line, we have negative 2, we have negative 3. We have negative 1, we have 0, and so on. No? So, tinitignan natin yung point na to. Negative 2 from the left. Ano masasabi nyo dito sa numbers na if the numbers approaches negative 2 from the left? No? Meaning, these numbers are less than 2, no? So, saan tayo dito? Dito ba tayo o dito? Dito less than or equal to negative 2. Dito, greater than 2. So, definitely dito tayo. Ibig sabihin, the limit of h of x as x approaches negative 2 from the left, ito yung gagamitin natin expression kasi nandito yung mga numbers that are less than 2. Yun yung nasa left of 2. These are the numbers that are less. Sorry. These are the numbers that are, hindi 2 negative 2 pala. Baka 2 yung nasabi ko. These are the numbers that are less than negative 2. Itong mga numbers na nandito sa function na to. Meaning, you have to use this function, yung expression na to, para makuha natin yung limit. So, the limit of h of x as x approaches negative 2 from the left is equal to the limit of, ito yung gagamitin na expression, x plus 4 as x approaches negative 2 from the left, which is equal to, substitute lang din natin, di ba? We have negative 2 plus 4, which is equal to 2. No? Okay? Wala na tayong problema sa from the left. Ang titignan natin yan, yung from the right naman. No? So, dito na lang tayo. No? The limit of h of x as x approaches negative 2 from the right. Okay? Saan naman tayo titingin? Pag from the right, dito naman siya, greater than, these are the numbers that are greater than negative 2, no? So, nandito siya. Ibig sabihin, ito rin yung gagamitin nating expression. Diba? So, meaning, we have negative x. Palitan na natin yung h of x ng yung expression dito. So, negative x, the limit of negative x plus 2 as x approaches negative 2 from the right, which is equal to the limit. Substitute na natin yung negative 2 dito. So, meron tayong negative, tapos yung x natin, which is negative 2. So, negative of negative 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. No? So, magiging positive na to, di ba? So, ano napapansin nyo? Ito yung kanyang left-hand limit equals to 2. Tapos, ito yung kanyang right-hand limit, which is equal to 4. So, the limit exists. Does the limit exist? The answer is no. No? Kasi para mag-exist yung limit niya, no? Dapat pareho yung left-hand tsaka right-hand limit niya. So, wala siya. Hindi siya nag-exist. Okay? So, automatic yan. Pag tinanong kayo, is the function, is h continuous? Pag may nakita na kayong isa, automatic sasabihin nyo na the function is not continuous at x equals negative 2. No? Pag yun ang tanong, no? But here, kukumpletuhin natin kasi syempre, nasa discussion tayo para mas lalo nyo maintindihan. Now, we have to check if condition 3 holds, no? So, the limit of f of x, hindi na f of x kasi h na yung function natin. So, the limit of h of x as x approaches c, or as x approaches, in this case, negative 2 must be equal to h of negative 2. Well, I think it's obvious, no? Kasi, equal ba sila? Kasi hindi na nga nag-exist yun nandito, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, does not exist. Does not exist ito. So, does not exist yung limit niya. Pero here, meron tayong value which is 2. No? So, definitely, hindi sila equal. Therefore, yung condition 3 natin ay hindi siya nag-hold. No? So, no. This is yes, no, no. No? Dalawa yung hindi nag-hold na conditions. No? So, here, we can conclude that h is not continuous at x equals negative 2. And pwede natin tignan yung graph. No? para makita nyo lang na hindi nga talaga siya continuous. So this is the graph of yung expression natin kanina. At x is less than or equal to negative 2, ang expression na is x plus 4 ang function natin. So, at x is less than negative 2, ito yung function natin. Ang equation nito is y equals x plus 4. No? Pag less than or equal to negative 2 siya. Tapos pag greater than 2, kaya wala siya dito kasi greater than 2, ibig sabihin dito kasama. Ito kasama yung point dito, no? Because yung expression na is x is less than or equal to 2, to negative 2. No? So ito naman, ang expression dito is, ano yung kanina? Negative x plus 2. No? So dalawang function yan, kaya tinatawag siyang piecewise kasi it is composed of 2 or more different functions, no? Na ginawa siyang isang function. No? Okay, so I think it's obvious that hindi siya continuous. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung interpretation ng ating mga kanina, no? H of negative 2 exists? Yes. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng h of negative 2? The value of h at x equals negative 2. Ano yung value ng function natin at x equals negative 2? Di ba 2 siya? Ito yung y niya. If x is negative 2, yung y natin ay 2. Kaya yung nandito natin, if x is equals to negative 2, ang y natin ay 2. No? So, okay tayo dito. Yun ang interpretation nun. Ito, yung left-hand limit natin, 2. No? Ano ibig sabihin ng left-hand limit? From the left. Habang galing tayo sa kaliwa, saan pumupunta siya? Yung function as x approaches negative 2. So, from the left-hand limit, di ba 2 nga siya? Diba? Tapos from the right hand naman, saan siya pumupunta? Anong y value ang as x approaches negative 2? 4 naman, di ba? Kaya yung isa 2, di ba? Yung isa 2, yung isa 4. Yung ibig sabihin nun. Okay? So, kaya yung number 3, sa number 3, hindi sila mag-equal, no? They have the different values. Okay? So, from here, the limit does not exist dahil hindi sila parehong ina-approach number, no? Okay, so yun yung graphical interpretation nung nandito, no? I hope naintindihan nyo, no? So, nandito lang tayo. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay dito sa Sipnayan. Gusto ko yung invite sa sipnayan.com. Yan yung ating website. And of course, kung pwede kayo mag-subscribe sa, no? Or kung kayo naman ay nanonood sa YouTube, no? Pwede rin kayo mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Hanapin nyo lang yung subscribe button. Okay, maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.